Na, 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 na. Let's open some mystery boxes, you guys. On my birthday. Hey guys, today is my birthday and I want to open some of the mystery boxes and some of the gifts that I got on my birthday. So mystery boxes क्या है, हम सब ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग जब करते हैं हमें पता रहता है कि हम क्या मंगा रहे हैं, पर जब हम लोग mystery boxes मंगाते हैं, even if we know, हमें नहीं पता रहता कि अंदर क्या मिलने वाला है. So when you open it, it's still a surprise. So let's just open few of the mystery boxes. Look at this. This is so pretty, right? There are 6 beers, butter beers inside it. So let's just open it. I have my trusty cutter with me. Ooh, the box is so pretty, right? This one. First I want to get the sleeping one. It's so pretty color, man. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, I got the sleeping one. Birthday surprise, you know. Oh, it's so pretty, so cute. Oh, look at this. Let's open second box. And the boxes are also cute. Look at this. Right, there are other beers also and I want all of them. This color is so pretty, right? The mauve some. Oh, this is the butter one. Croissant के साथ ये beer नाचते हुए. This will be a good soap piece. Let's keep on opening. Oh my god, this is so cute. This beer is stuck inside a bread. Oh, I thought like ये जो पैकेट है वो चेंज होता रहेगा, डिफरेंट कलर्स आएंगे, बट इट इज सेम. Live happily every day, that is written inside this. This one is holding a ice cream cone. Oh, la la la, so cute. So we have got sleeping and there is a donut one. There is a donut one and a mystery box surprise, which is शायद cupcake, and there is also this beer. These 3 are there which I haven't got out of the 6. Let's see if we can get the mystery one or the surprise one. No, we didn't got. Next I have this one. It is so pretty. Okay, so let's open it. Anything? Nothing. Okay, something is there inside this. ये कोई कार्ड है या क्या है? Okay. Oh, I guess we got this dough fellow. And it is iridescent. Ooh, right? I like it. Okay, so let's see this dough fellow, how it is looking, right? I wanted that fox, but anything is fine. Okay. Though quality is not that good. Okay. It's very childlike, but it is still cute. And it has a crown something. Oh, okay. So cute. Okay. So this, we have another one. Okay, so this I wanted to open this Squishmallow for a very long time and it has a perfume. खुशबू तो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है, बिल्कुल जैसे वो रबर नहीं आते थे जिसको हम यूज़ करते थे एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे, कलरफुल वाले. और कुछ मीठा सा डिसेंट डेजर्ट वाले. एंड लुक एट माई नेल्स. And this is my birthday outfit, okay, of these members. And I want this one. Everything is fine. This green one I don't like. Other are so cute, but it is little bit open and I can see the one I got. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this, okay, so cute, and it is so soft. And it matches my dress. Oh my god. Okay guys, I am so dumb. I forgot to record few of the very high quality best product ever. वो record करना ही भूल गई. I am so mad at me. बर्थडे के दिन ये stupidity कर रही हूँ मैं. But let's just show you first what I have. This is Harry Potter का सबसे best first part वाला book है. And this is the best gift that you can give a person who is a big fan of Harry Potter. Okay, and this is so pretty and so elegant, and this looks like very high quality. And also this has pictures, okay, because I get bored easily, so it has pictures and you can enjoy it. And this is fully functional as well. Look at this. This is fully functional. That key moves. Also there is this. Just look at this. It opens. Oh ho 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 ho. Ah. My god. Oh. It closes like this and then opens into that. And there is also this pink lady. So pretty. I wanted this book for a very long time and finally I got it. This was the box and these were the dolls that we could get, and I wanted this and this one. This one, look at this. So pretty, and this is completely velvet, her dress. And one sock she has, blue pink combo. This is the best gift, and she is high quality as well. See, she is as big as my face. And she is so beautiful as well. And she has a little snake with her. The snake has a bow as well. Okay. And she holds it like this. See. My god, this has to be the best doll ever. And there was this box which I opened, and there were these dolls inside it. And this looks like some unicorn or something, but I didn't got that. I got, she also looks like a premium quality, right? She also has this velvet tail and a snot, but she's so pretty, and she's like snow leopard girl. Very pretty. There were 2 more mystery boxes which somehow got cancelled. The seller cancelled it. But I'm still happy with whatever gift I got. Now I will also show you what I got in the month of April. This is one very pretty bag, right? So cute. This bag, right? And also this. If you want me to do more of the mystery boxes like this, so comment down below and I'll do more.